I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, build with debug symbols, and open the Diagnostic Tools pane so you capture meaningful data. Once the pane is visible, attach to the running process or press F5 to launch under the debugger. This engages CPU and memory graphs. Make sure symbols load. Unresolved symbols hide call stacks. While the app runs, enable the specific collectors you need, like CPU sampling or memory snapshots, so you capture targeted, actionable diagnostics from the first second. Once data streams in, focus. Switch CPU profiler to sampling for low overhead or instrumentation for precise timings. Choose based on test tolerance. Capture a baseline snapshot, exercise the scenario, then capture another to diff retained objects and find leaks. Make sure to correlate CPU spikes with call stacks and source lines. IntelliTrace events help map runtime behavior to code. When you see a hotspot, navigate to source. Add a breakpoint if needed, and rerun the scenario to validate any hypothesis. Finish by exporting the session and selected snapshots so you can document the issue and share fixes. Then implement targeted changes. Optimize the hot loop or algorithm, reduce per iteration allocations, and ensure disposable objects and unmanaged handles are released promptly. Rerun the exact profiled scenario and compare graphs and snapshots to confirm improvements. If data looks missing or graphs are flat, one troubleshooting tip: verify debug symbols and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.